awfulness. Look at the chain. Look at that cutter right there. This is a brand new Archer chain that I just got with the Archer bar. I've never had a bad Archer chain or bar, but this was kind of given to me, so I can't complain, but I figured I'd show you. There's that, and then there is, I mean, we're working with double rakers here too, so you gotta remember that, or triple rakers or something. And what kind of thing that is. What is that? Let's go! And then, let's see, hold on. Something real, yeah, right here. What the? What? Wait, what? Where's the cutter? Gone. So yeah, there's that too. And then there's something else too. Right here. I mean, you got, see the sequence here? It's like a full chisel, full comp rather. And then, whoa, hey. Wait a minute, where'd that one go? I mean, that may be where the master link is or something, but just, I love the bars. Bars are awesome. And usually the chains are okay, but this one here wasn't. See how it cuts though anyway, just like this, as is. We'll put it on this little Neotech NH843 Husqvarna 543 clone. I had to get a new carburetor for this. Somebody on the Neotech Facebook page was asking, and I had to get a new car. I've had a few of these. Sorry, I don't remember the link, but it's one of these stables, which I thought was the same type that Neotech had on their site, except this idle screw right here. This is their idle screw, and it goes right through here, and into the body on the side of the carb. And this one actually went at like a 45-degree angle up this way. Okay, so instead of it going like this, it kind of went up like that. So I just cut all this off the carburetor. You can see where I cut it right here. There's a little like shelf for this with it was tapped, and you could just thread this in there, and that just touches the throttle lever there. So anyway, that's what I did, and I just don't run a idle. I just use the high and low jet, but the high and low screw right here still works perfect. So anyway, if you were the gentleman asking about that, hope that helps you. We'll go run this through some small wood. I don't know what I got out there, a bunch of junk probably, but we'll see how it cuts, if it cuts. Maybe you see it better out here in the light. It's right there. You can tell it's like a real clean cut. I mean, this is brand new, never been used chain. I don't know, I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's see how it goes. I just got some old junk wood over here. Is it on? No, it's not. heard